The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to launch in mid-2025, is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, particularly in design and display. Early reports indicate it will feature a dramatically thinner profile, measuring just 4.5 mm when unfolded and approximately 9.5 mm when folded, a substantial improvement over previous models. The inner display is rumored to expand to 8.2 inches, potentially making it one of the largest foldable screens available, while the cover screen may grow slightly to 6.5 inches. Performance-wise, the device is expected to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and could debut with a groundbreaking 200MP main camera system, addressing previous criticisms about Samsung's foldable camera capabilities. However, battery capacity might remain at 4,400 mAh with 25W charging, which could be seen as conservative compared to some competing devices. Visually, the Z Fold 7 appears to maintain the flat-edged, squared-off design language of recent models, but with subtle refinements like component repositioning and possible camera housing changes. There are also intriguing rumors about Samsung potentially introducing a tri-fold variant, though details about this experimental model remain scarce. While not representing a complete reinvention of the foldable concept, the Z Fold 7's combination of a slimmer form factor, larger displays, and camera improvements could help maintain Samsung's position in the premium foldable market. The device's anticipated features suggest Samsung is focusing on refinement rather than revolution, though its expected premium pricing will likely keep it positioned as a niche, high-end product. For foldable enthusiasts, the Z Fold 7 appears to offer meaningful improvements, though some may wish for more ambitious advancements in areas like battery technology and charging speeds.